it going, reinventors? Happy Vlogmas. This is the days leading up to December 25th, and in this video series, I'm going to be bringing you 25 things to do after you retire. I'm Amelia, this is Reinventing You. This channel is all about inspiring you so that you can reinvent your life. I want you to live a life of joy, fulfillment, and purpose. I normally post twice a week, but in this instance, during Vlogmas, I'll be posting every day. I'm glad that you are here. I retired early from the ministry after 20 years, but it doesn't matter what age you retire. You are probably looking for what are you going to spend your time doing after you have retired, and I want to help you out through my own experience. If you are interested, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. This video is for Vlogmas Day 13. Cue the scary music. Ooh, 2020. Okay, it's not scary 13. The 13th tip I have for you for what to do with your day in retirement is to get support. Find people who've gone through the same thing you have. Find YouTube channels of people who are retired, kind of like this one. If you're reinventing yourself, channels like Reinventing You are going to help you out. If you are not quite yet at retirement, find ways, people that can support you. Maybe if you are in a particular job, they may have a way, maybe a counseling office or something that will help you transition into retirement. Maybe if you have had a counselor or have considered having some kind of therapy, this would be a great time to do that. And I have a video up here all about how to find a therapist or a counselor, and that is a really great thing to do. If you don't feel like you really need counseling but still need some kind of direction, a life coach would be an awesome way to get support. So number 13 is to find some support to get you into retirement. And not only that, make sure you have the support of your family, whether it's your spouse, your children, maybe even your parents, whoever it is that are supporting you and behind you in your retirement. When I retired early, I had to get support from my family. I'm sure there were people that thought I was a little nuts. I know that as a clergy woman, I didn't feel like I had the really good support of other clergy women. I mean, there were a few exceptions to that. But overall, I think a lot of clergy women are like, why are you retiring? What's wrong with you? And that really hurts, you know, and that's not really helpful. So if you're in a career or you're about to retire, but you don't feel like you have people, maybe people you've been in the job market or in the career that you're in for a really long time, and they don't understand why you're retiring, especially if you're retiring early, find people who do understand and have your back. That is so important, is to get that support when you're retired. See, that wasn't so bad. It wasn't unlucky 13 because you want to have that support. I hope you've enjoyed this video. In the comments below, let me know what you would suggest doing when you retire or when somebody else retires, or what you hope to do when you retire. And if this video has been helpful for you, guess what? I want you to give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Have a great one.